Hello guys, Code Crawford here again. So today is just today's wait, let me see what time is it. So today's December 14th as always. And today we have a bad weather in Fort Myers, which is where I live today. Yep, a bad day. So um this is a trash can. And today's Thursday, I think, and it's gonna be almost Friday. And I have a bad feeling that Christmas is not coming tomorrow because it's not the 25th anymore, and I'm still sick. So today is a bad weather in Fort Myers. So I didn't know what I do, so let's go outside. Okay. Can I turn the flashlight on? Oh. Yep. That's our bathroom. That's the right trap. So let's go outside. Yep. Today's a bad weather. It's windy. So today is a bad windy day in Fort Myers. And that's our tree. Let me see the ones. So where's my hoodie at? Cause I just washed it. Wait. Okay guys. Let me try and dry it. Nope. Oh, there it is. Finally. So this is my hoodie. It looks kind of wet as usual. So since it's very cold, I'm gonna put this on. Okay. What is that, guys? Okay. So guys, so today's a bad windy day for Myers because I thought it was about to rain today, but somehow it's windy. So this is my yard. So I think one of the trees fell. And that's my bike. Well, it doesn't work properly. That's the shed, and that's my house. Huh? Did that just honk? Wait, I'll be back, guys. Okay, I didn't heard nothing yet, but, huh. Yep. It's still windy. I'm gonna go up here. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So today's a bad windy day in Fort Myers again, because you might notice it might be very cold, and those clouds over there, let me see, they look like the sun is coming, and I thought it was about to snow in Fort Myers, but the government said they're lying, because probably in 19, the Fort Myers was snowing, but in the 20s they weren't. So they probably snow in America. So guys, if you live in Fort Myers or somewhere else in the state, it's very, very cold. And if someone lives in America, say it's already snowing today, because in Fort Myers it's not snowing. So same on that. So I love being on the rooftop, so yeah, it's my favorite thing. Well guys, I'm gonna go off the rooftop, and I hope you guys notice that today is gonna be windy. So I see you tomorrow. Bye.